back to our channel. My name is Hope, and today we're going to be playing
Train Story.
I'm here with Dylan.
Hey, what's up?
And Amy.
Hey guys!
And welcome back to
Gaming with Sibs. So the captain told us to lay back and relax, basically. We shall begin our journey shortly. There are currently some technical difficulties with the engine.
Hey, yo, what's up, people?
No. Hey, goodbye.
Can we jump out of this train?
I lost the wrench. I think it's in one of the cabins. Could you guys find it for me and return it? How did you lose it?
How you lose a wrench?
A whole wrench.
Lose a
I have to actually click on this.
Found it.
Wait, you did?
Yeah. It was,
My head was stuck in the door.
Did you click it?
My head was stuck
I
in
put
this
on
door.
the. Alright, I opened this immediately.
In the meantime, please feel free to talk with your friend.
Come over.
Okay, so we haven't even started.
Come over to me.
I'm coming.
It was right here. Can you see my screen?
Dylan,
Wow.
I got
It was right here. I just opened it and I clicked on it.
Come, Amy, sit next to us, yes. So we haven't even started this so far, and I already think the captain's suspicious. No, I'm saying, I gotta be suspicious about everybody.
If you haven't seen our other story videos, Hope is suspicious about everybody.
Oh
every
my
time
gosh,
it's a story.
you guys are so rude. What happened now? Whoa, what's
I think
going
we
on with the
need-
lights?
Oh, I found the driver cabin.
That's good.
I'm gonna go to the storage room.
I'm gonna stay over
my
here.
head got stuck
Okay, guys, I'm starting to. I think there's a spare fuse for the lights in the safety box. I'm starting to suspect the land, guys. Find the fuse box.
Don't tell me it's here.
No, it's red. Duh, red means stop. Duh.
Wait, red means it's locked.
So stop trying to get in. That's what it means. Oh, what happened? Who touched it? I was just walking around. These chairs are getting in my way. What a relief. Thank you for finding the fuse box. I don't even know where it was.
Oh, his name's John. I can see it from my head.
That's lovely.
Look at my screen.
That's nice. Time to get this thing back on track. Sorry for the long wait, people. It's just a few of us. We don't have anywhere better to be. Don't worry.
I stole your wrench. I still have it.
Okay, so I think I have us all sorted out now. You're pretty unprofessional, dude. Maybe I should stop moving. Maybe that's the problem here.
Maybe you should stop going to these stories. Hope, why'd you buy us train tickets?
Turning on the engine. Because, I've never actually been on, like, a train. I mean, I have been on a train, like, once
I
or
mean,
twice.
it is my fault for buying these bus tickets last time, so.
Woohoo! Well, I don't know what I'd do without you. You drive it with other people?
But why did you buy us tickets?
Because I wanted to come on another train ride. Let's get going and proceed on with this
Hope,
journey.
have you ever...
Oh, we can go in now!
Wait, what?
Oh, I think I got locked in.
See ya. That's what happens when you when you're greedy.
I was
Question mark. Dot. Hello, question mark. Would you like to join the Alpha Blocks? I mean, you didn't expect this, did you?
But hey, I want to do it. I have a better creepy voice.
No, you don't.
If you guys saw our Piggy Chapter 11 video, I did the best Mr. P voice ever.
Didn't expect what?
Voice, you voice John, so let me voice.
Okay, you can voice John.
Hey, no, not today.
Exactly. So
Not today. Last time you voiced two people.
Yeah, because they're both girls. When you say there's boys on the ship, you always want to be mine. It's terrible.
Yeah.
I'm not even biased.
I have a
Just
feeling we're gonna need to go in the storage room and I'll just be here safe and sound.
I hope you stay stuck in there for the whole entire game. I think you're on the wrong train. I don't know what you mean. Who are you talking to, John? There's nobody here.
He's quiet.
There's just the three of us. Chilling around. The other one's stuck in the storage room.
I just jumped.
Yo, you don't have to yell. We're right next to each other. Oh my gosh. So loud.
Sorry, but you wanna know what's so really so
I
loud?
can't stand these people. Gosh.
You really wanna know what's so loud?
Look at my own feet. We need to get out of this train quickly.
Jump.
I'm jumping on. Oh yeah, I found a sewer crate back here. I found this.
Go through the exit. Right to the storage room. Oh. Amy, you're gonna die. See ya.
I found a crate in here.
Oh, a grate, you mean?
Crate, same.
What the heck? Why is he in the storage room?
In here? What?
Oh my gosh, Captain, you suck.
Run!
go.
Yeah!
Amy, what are you doing?
You're gonna die.
Escape through the stairs. Obviously. Where else are we gonna go? Jeez.
Where did you guys go?
Down the grate, the thing with the 3 lines. Amy, don't die early again. Left is the right way. D-line's already going. Actually, you can go first, D-line. Is it the right way?
Nope.
What is that thing over there?
It's
Oh.
a killer.
I'm gonna go the other way. This is blind with this.
Now it's time to take back what's mine.
Let's find a ladder. Let's go. Oh, it's parkour.
Woohoo! And
It's parkour, friends. Oh, it's pushing me.
I made it.
Amy, where are you?
I'm scared.
Amy's dying.
Yeah, that's kind of obvious.
I think we can go. Never mind. No.
Amy's running into stairs. I will not be defeated.
Look, I find you. I found.
Finally, it took you a long time. Dylan, how much? Complete the obby. Okay, let's go. Finally. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Last time
I'm not dying.
Amy died already.
Oh, you're kidding.
This one's spawning me.
Amy,
this
click
is-
on the one with the R.
No, you don't know what it is. It could be yes or no. Okay, let's go.
Or the one with the Y. Hiya!
We need to get out of this
Have
place.
I had a Y or
Okay, there's a straight thing, so let's go
I
straight.
completely died.
I mean, why do you click on random buttons? The winner, no.
any buttons because there was no.
Yay, I won! We won! Woohoo!
The winner award.
That wasn't very long.
Winner. Wait, that was
Wait, the grate just disappeared.
great. This up what?
Wait, why is it blocked off? Oh, you don't play like that? What are you doing?
What's happening?
We're stuck. We're stuck. Find out what happens in part 2. Hold on, guys. We're gonna do this.
We're in our own private server again.
Okay, guys, we're back and we're gonna finish this. I
finishing
wonder
this.
why we were blocked off last time, but now we're gonna figure it
And the
out.
sewer rages.
And Amy magically came back. Oh yay, she respawned. I mean, no, she didn't die. You just lost her.
I look like a real baby now.
What in the world was that thing? We just lost her. We had to go find her, but she's back. Don't worry, guys.
See that? Look how far I am. I into a baby.
IDK. But we need to proceed.
Where do we
Proceed.
We need to proceed. Sorry, I had to stop because I had to listen to Amy.
Good idea. I sent to the city to find some help.
Amy, follow me. Follow me.
Surely there is someone who can help us.
It's blocked.
Amy, try not to get lost this time. We need to stay safe.
We need you to get.
Can we go, please? Okay, we can.
Ending.
Well, you just closed my eyes. My eyes.
What?
Now that we're in the city,
Go knock on doors.
we must find help.
Knock on doors.
Otherwise, we'll never know.
What's you?
Knock, knock, knock.
Knock knock. Objective. Find someone in the city who can provide information. Oh. I got the secret ending award. What the heck?
Secret ending. Hold on.
Whoa. Whoa. What are you doing? Stop doing that. Don't do
Secret
that.
ending award.
What?
Amy,
Where the heck am
walk
I?
Over here, walk over here.
I just started! No! Wait,
You
there's
died.
a noob? No, I got the secret ending.
Walk into the black hole.
Wait, he's going into the train tracks.
Do we walk into the black
Oh
hole?
no, that's not safe for work.
Who?
Do we walk into the black
I don't know. I think he's lost.
What in the world was that?
So we got the secret ending, but
I don't know.
we got secret ending and we kind of wanted the ending that wasn't secret. So we're gonna try to do this again.
With more players this time.
Yeah, more friends. Okay, so I'm not gonna go to that door. Wait, when I got it, now that we're in the city, we must find someone who can give us information.
This time.
Okay, when I got the secret ending, did you guys get the secret ending?
No, I told Amy to follow me, but she didn't.
Okay. Find someone in the city who can provide information.
I'll take one side. You guys.
Wait, I found someone. It's not the secret ending. I found someone.
What is this?
Hi, Grandma. I'll be your grandma. I think it's grandpa. I think it's grandpa. Oopsies.
I'm not quite sure, but I think this person knows some information.
Nah, don't say like you found the house, because you know that I found the house. No, don't do that. Hello, you sweet old grandpa. How may I assist you today?
Oh my god.
We need to know how to escape this city. There is a evil monster chasing us.
You think he's actually gonna believe that? Grandpa, go sit
Now, don't be playing this
Oh,
silly
look at me.
Pokemon
Look at me.
anymore.
You actually think he's gonna fall?
I'm so scared.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I said I'm
It's going to be okay.
Why is there a chain door here? Look!
I don't know. Why don't you ask
Look
them?
here!
Yeah, I know it's the captain.
Could you help us, sir?
Can you help us here? Oh my god.
Just breathing. Oh, sorry. I couldn't hear you. My hearing aid was turned off.
I'm gonna wait next to the door until it's open.
You don't have a hearing aid on. Something. Grandpapa, don't lie.
Please help us.
We need your help.
Hey, this is our conductor person thing.
Yeah, that's our conductor. I think he's dead.
Hey, Grandpapa, is this your grandson?
Yeah, Grandpa.
Yes. I think I know what monster you're talking about.
What monster? What monster? Which monster? Tell me right now or I'll punch you in the face.
Dylan, you can't punch Grandpa in the face.
I
okay?
said sorry.
It's okay, Grandpapa. He's just crazy. Just don't mind him.
Yeah, I'm going
If you
insane.
follow me, I can show you the way out of the secret tunnel.
Ooh.
Wait, where do you sleep,
Is this
Grandpapa?
Yeah, where do you sleep?
Do you sleep on the rocking chair? It's very bland in here. You just have a picture of your grandson.
Oh, I can get
only
it.
way
Oh,
out.
my arm.
He's stuck again. Why are you getting stuck indoors?
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna ask.
Half free.
There's a mouse hole.
Oh. I don't know that game.
Oh my gosh, it's the only place. Okay, whatever.
That's what happened to me last time. I got stuck in
Before I could see in there, but now I can't. Well, we really have other one. It's the only way. It's the only choice we really have. Don't.
Amy, why are you stuck now?
Oh God, now. Oh, you're right. Let's Let's go.
Bye, Grandpapa. Thank you for your help.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Where'd the other? Oh, never mind. I'm stupid.
Okay.
Great.
I couldn't see what's inside of there.
Oh!
What's inside of there? Wait, where are you?
I'm in the.
This is why you don't try to force your way through places you're not supposed to be.
I was trying to see what was inside.
Dylan, are you inside of there?
Now Grandpapa's gonna come open the door. If you just wait like a good little boy, Grandpapa would have opened the door for you. Just give me a second to remove these chains.
Hold up.
I haven't been down there in a long time.
Dylan, you got stuck in there?
Don't do that. Don't you dare do that.
Hi-ya! No!
Grandpapa's gonna open the door. Wait, you have to wait.
I'm stuck in the floor. I'm
Just
stuck.
wait. Finally.
I better
Follow me this way.
get teleported. That's weird.
Don't teleport in game. He doesn't deserve it.
You're gonna see what happened to me when you go.
Oh. There we are.
I'm in the ground.
Can we please go through the secret tunnel? It'll probably teleport.
Yes! I really don't think this is a good idea.
Why do you guys not trust Grandpapa? Up, don't go that way. You'll be fine, trust me.
Oh no! She didn't respond.
You did?
No. Just come watch me. As long as you follow me, don't touch your eyes, then you'll be
I can't move, I can't move, and I can't move. Oh my
Stop trying to press buttons. This is how you're dying. Grandpapa, we lost one. Let's keep moving if you want to escape. Grandpapa, we lost somebody. Oh, we have to follow Grandpapa.
We lost Grandpapa.
Grandpapa, you're kind of walking too wild. These ladders should lead up to a train platform.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, is that where the boy went?
Probably. Oh no, don't.
Why can't we go up the ladder, Grandpa? Oh my God, you guys taking so much time.
Grandpa.
But Grandpa, oh.
Grandpa, we lost the soldier. We lost the trooper, Grandpa. Once you have arrived at the train station, you then wait for your train to arrive. Our train conductor is dead. I'm sorry to break it to you, Grandpa. Your grandson's dead. What that smile on your face? Oh, I have a smile on my face too.
I gotta...
Can you come with us?
Grandpa, where'd you go? Oh.
Yeah, Grandpa. Why you guys
I cannot.
Grandpa?
I'm too old to walk that far.
No, Grandpa.
I gotta go play my Pokemon. I don't gotta walk that far for that game. Is that what the kids are up to these days? Fidget spinners, dabbing. Okay then. Thank you again, sir.
What's that? Okay,
Grandpa.
I don't care about Grandpa.
Bye, Grandpa.
Take care, Grandpa.
You have fun playing your Pokemon.
Pokemon!
The name's Mr. Richards. I'm a retired train driver. Wait! Oh, he's not dead. That was him. Oh, did we travel in the future?
Is Grandpa dead?
No. Then my son, John Richards, took over. Oh, never mind. He's
No!
He's dead. I haven't seen him ever since he said goodbye. Because he's dead, Mr. Richards. Sorry, Grandpa.
I need to tell him the truth.
And tell him the truth. No one's stopping you. He can't hear you just because you're typing in the chat. Elon, hello.
Who cares? He dead. Sorry. The news, buddy. He dead.
Oh my, I hope he's doing okay. So sorry, Grandpa. I'm just gonna call you Grandpa because Mr. Richards is way too long.
Not. Grandpa is too long.
I will let you on your travels. Good luck, children.
Thank you, Grandpa. We'll never forget you, Grandpa.
I'll probably forget you in a day or two. I have a really bad memory.
We'll never
Over here.
forget you, Grandpa. And I can't use it.
Grandpa.
Right.
Grandpa.
I know Mr. Richards will be okay down there.
Bye, Mr. Papa. Mr. Papa.
Oh, I found some.
Yeah, me too. Grandpa. Friday, November 13th. It's Friday the 13th.
Wait, it's Friday. Oh. I hope we finally escaped that one.
Train 2 is coming in 15 minutes. Train 1 in 30 minutes. Oh, these railroad tracks. The boy. Oh, there's blood coming off of it. Oh no, those are just the ladders. Never mind. I'm just hallucinating. Wait, why is there a G on the floor?
It's kind of
Hello?
funny how you
Wow.
keep saying Grandpa.
Oh, it's an A. Train 2. Oh, this is train 2. So we're waiting for train 2. It comes in 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Something doesn't feel right.
What? What is it? Are we missing Grandpa?
Kind of.
Grandpa, come back.
Wait, no, this is where the secret ending took place, right? What do you mean? I'm just talking to myself.
Ooh, you can stand on this thing.
Grandpa, have you seen Grandpa?
Grandpa!
Oh, wait. Wait, we're here. Oh, I don't want to burn. No.
I
Can you,
died.
like, not? I've died.
No! It has no respawn!
Guys,
Yes.
if you want to see more of this, make sure to leave a like and comment down below.
I am getting that ending!
Comment down below and F in the chat. I'm so sad. Subscribe if you want to see more. And we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!
Bye.